the biology that we develop. The repairing system is composed in 3 different phases: inflammation, proliferation, and remodeling. These 3 different parts focus different tissue layers and different cells, from inflammatory cells to fibroblasts to keratinocytes. Then you need to act on these different levels, and we demonstrate that 4 vitamin B are inducing this process, are supporting this process of skin healing. Vitamin B12, B9, B3, and globally the vitamin B5. Then today I'm not going to present you another niacinamide 20%. I'm going to present you something really special that really works at cellular level to bring you visible effects. Understanding this process, I present you the active ingredients, the 4 vitamins that I just speak about. All these vitamins are very interesting in terms of action. They're all supporting the skin barrier, they support the repair of the cells, they promote healing, they are cofactors in a lot of mechanisms that can be interesting to support and to bring resilience to skin. But at the end we have this ingredient, but how to find the best ratio? How to demonstrate that these 4 ingredients can act synergistically? Then for the first time, we are going to see how we do, and that's the breakthrough beyond the product. First of all, I'm really proud to present you that this 4 vitamin complex is patented, but not only one time in fact, because I learned yesterday that we grant another patent. Let's go. Then we use a very interesting model, what we call the computational biology, that coming from a Nobel Prize, to understand how these vitamins can interact together. Then with this model we demonstrate that these 4 vitamins can agglomerate to do a very specific complex, and that this complex can anchor on the cell surface at the same time. And this is important because they are not going to act one after the other, but they are going to act at the same time on the same cell to give this very synergistic effect that is going to boost repair process and smooth the skin. The second breakthrough is that, okay, you have the candidate, you see that they are going to act synergistically, but okay, how do you define the good ratio in between these 4 vitamins? You put 1% of this one, 3% of this one, then what we do in our cellular laboratory is that we work on 2 targets, 2 actions: repair and inflammation. We do a lot of testing, a lot of different ratios of each of these vitamins. We manage the effects in terms of anti-inflammation and skin repair, and then after a certain time, a long time, we define the best ratio. The best ratio means the best efficacy without any adverse effect. Of course, we have the ingredient, we have the good ratio, we have a very interesting synergistic effect, but what it means. Ingredients or complex need to be delivered deeply in the skin. Because if it stays at the surface, no action, no activity. Of course, I can claim vitamin B containing vitamin B, but it's only marketing. Here, we look to the science. Then we develop, another time, a custom-made active anchor technology to bring these vitamins deep in the tissue at the cellular level. And this active anchor technology, as I already speak about, it's a kind of GPS that is going to target the specific skin layers and the specific cells to bring to these cells a perfectly bioavailable vitamin B complex. That's the breakthrough. And now I'm going to show you the proof, because words is interesting, but proof are better. Okay, on the left side, this is the three same bars, because we do we do 3 times the same test to see if it's robust, and of course it's robust. Here we follow the penetration of the vitamin B in the Galenic serum, and here we compare with the competitive serum containing the same amount of vitamin B. And you can see here that with our serum, the vitamin B is going deeper. It stays at the dermis level. It goes to the epidermis with OVB, and more and deep and faster. It's really the demonstration of the active anchor technology. And this is why our ingredients and our proposition are totally different. What was important for us is to have a very fast effect, because to repair the skin and to reduce inflammation needs to be very quick. Then here I'm going to show you the 72-hour multi-level effect that we obtain. Then with this intelligent monodose,